Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Chablee, and today's video, if you already know, my eyes are not originally blue. It's from BEAUEYE. They sent me this beautiful package in a nice box and a couple different ones to try on for you. So this is a contact try-on haul. If you're looking for a contact to transformate your dark brown eyes, then you might need to watch these because my eyes look extravagant and they're not pink or red or irritating my eyes. I'm so happy I found this company, so let's get into it. These contacts are so easy to clean and actually so easy to put in your eye. You see right here? Look at all those amazing colors. That blue with that gray has a little bit of white. So I just hold that down. My eyelid, I keep it up. I kind of look side to side and voila. Package says, your lens has arrived. Oh, well, excuse me. Yes, my lens have arrived. Woo. Look at that, y'all. That looks very like British. That's why I'm wearing this. Give me my tea, my dear. It's quite lovely. I love the colors. The boxes are very exciting. It feels like you're in a movie, you know? They have a little theme to them. Now, I've never seen a contact lens that actually give you the expiration date, and I really appreciate that this company represents that, because I was looking at it and I was like, wow, they're breaking it down to this actual package will expire your 2027 in June. Each one will have a different expiration date, the 28th, and this one says year 2029. So I love that. I love that. I love that, because you never know. You don't want somebody to be sending you some expired contact lens. So that's a plus. The packaging is really adorable. That's a plus. I like that they're showing a gorgeous girl that's blonde, a brunette, and somebody that has braids. I mean, you know, we all have shades of different color, and our eyes are all different shades of color as well. So I'm glad that they cater to everybody that looks different. So, wow, they sent me 4, you guys, 4. Now, I noticed with these packaging, the only way you can see what color it is from the little peak, the cutout, you know, it shows right there, the little cutout, the color. It doesn't show the color on here. It does say these are good for 1 year. So that's amazing. They feel amazing in my eye already. I love starting the video wearing them so I can actually go through the video and read this fine little type and see if I can do that with contacts. So that's like part of my way to, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to do. But anyway, that's my way to like figure it out too as well. If these contacts are going to rotate or maneuver or wiggle, twiggle, whatever in my eye. And I just want to give you guys the 100% real review. That's why you're here. So what do you guys think about this color? What do you think about this color? Wow, it's like a cartoon character. I am definitely feeling it. We are going to try this beautiful brown Egyptian. As you see, the package is very Egyptian. Diamond your eyes. That's what each box says. Yeah. This is FDA approved. A lot of contacts, you know, are not FDA approved, but this one is. Yay, yay, yay. So hurrah to them. Each one has 2 in there, so that's a 1 full set. And they came with really cute cases. I like that they actually put a plastic wrapper, like candy wrapper, around the actual contact case. So you know they're not used, abused, or whatever. They actually gave me a total of 4. I really love this pink too. And adorable mirror. This brings me back to my childhood. I love that it has the glitter in it, and as the glitter goes through, you see the name of the company. It's really pretty. And you know, mirror. For sure, because you can't go wrong without knowing what you're doing with a little bit of instruction. The box, thank you. So far, presentation is thumbs up. I'm loving everything about this, you know, to the mirror, to the brochure, the package, to the expiration date. So you got me at that. So let's get into trying the rest of the color of these contacts. All right, as I'm taking them out, another little instructions of these wonderful, colorful contacts that I really adore, that they really take time out for you to have some understanding. Very easy to read too, you guys, even though it's a lot of text, and they show pictures and images. And one thing I wanted to show you guys before I put these on, you always want to make for sure your label is really sealed, because you don't want to be like putting contacts on that has no liquid inside and they're not sealed. So if you don't order from this company and you order from another company, make sure it's sealed. But this company, they are sealing it really good. I like that. FDA approved on there. Brown on. I really don't see a difference, but I'm gonna bring you guys in closer. See? I'm sorry, these I don't like because I don't see the brown. I think they should have added like more of an orange haze to it, then it would pop more. But I guess some people with blue eyes might want to have brown eyes overnight. These color contacts are so easy to take out. You guys look at this. I just pull it down, pinch, boom. I want to show you guys the ring of the colors of the contacts. Isn't that cool? Now these contacts right here, this color, amazing. Wow. Simply gorgeous. BEAUEYE, you did it with this pair. Send me another pair. Wow. Exotic. It totally transformed my dark brown eyes, you guys. Now this is a really, really big transformation. I love trying on contacts from this company. Look at this. Look at that yellow. You see a little bit of green. I mean, are you kidding me? They complement my complexion, my whole look, they complement my complexion, my whole look, my dress. What? Wow, they're beautiful. Really beautiful. I do realize when I put these on, you guys, the contact quality is a little bit harder than what I'm used to, because I'm used to weekly or dailies, but I prefer them to be a little bit harder because then I know they won't rip or tear easily. Another thing is when I blink, I don't feel like they're gonna pop out. When I'm blinking a lot, they're not rotating too much. I don't see a halo or a blur vision around. I like that. What else? Oh, the contact solution did not burn my eye. Some other companies have a very strong, you know, chemical contact lens solution when they ship it to you and it starts burning your eye. This one, it didn't really burn my eye. I didn't let it dilute in my own solution. I just right away put it in my eye for you guys to see, and you see my eyes are not red at all. So I definitely love these contacts, and they're actually affordable. So there's their Instagram, you know, I know I showed it earlier, but again, my discount code, use that discount code, because with that discount code, you guys can save some money. That was nice of them to give that to me, to give to y'all, so y'all can, you know, have some fun this summer with some colored contacts and change up your look. And these are yearly, so I like that. Make sure you wash your hands thoroughly, you know what I mean? Make for sure the bottle, when you hold it, it's rinsed off with water as well, because I know it can have oils on it and you're touching that and you're touching this, and then all of a sudden you're trying to figure out, you know. So that's what I usually do. In the middle of washing it in a circle motion, I rinse my hand again, and then I dip it on the tip of my finger and I put it on. I don't use the little tweezers and little tools because I don't like those things close to my eye. I rather use my hands because I could feel how close and how far to go. I hope that answered all your questions. I do love the contacts. Yes, this is amazing. Try-on contact. I give this one thumbs up. This is my best favorite out of all three of them. And I hope you guys give this video also a thumbs up. Yes, give it a thumbs up. That's right, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and watch more of my contact videos because I have quite a bit to look at.